I need your advice on oven thermostat problems.
Ovens have built-in thermostats to monitor what temperature it is, turning on the heating element to get up to temp and then cycling it off and on to keep it at that temperature.
I knew that. And some ovens have more sensitive thermostats than others.
If the thermostat is dead, it may not have realized it is burning up. If the thermostat is damaged or the sensor is off, it will tell you things are baking when the food is barely thawing.
I know that can also be the result of a bad heating element.
Yes, but if one of the heating elements is dead, at least it will tell you the oven is at 200, not 400. If the thermostat is off, it will tell you it is 400 when it is 200.
That would be obvious by putting another thermometer in there or opening the door and feeling that it ain't working so hot.
If the thermostat fails to detect the right temperature, and it doesn't open or close the heating element when the thing is cycling on and off, you get a too hot or too cold unit.
I'm guessing that's a problem it could have that worsens over time.
It could also have a sudden failure and not turn off the heating element or fail to turn it back on. Or it might not be the thermostat.
I'm pretty sure it is the thermostat. My frozen foods should be cooked, not thawed.
If the control thermostat switch won't close or burner switch sticks closed, you'll get temperature problems.
So the thermostat may be fine, but the controls to the heating element or from the control panel are damaged.
The problem could be a damaged conducting wire to the heating element, not the heating element itself. Then the fact that the unit knows it is cold and needs to heat up doesn't matter because it can't turn on the heating element.
Maybe the thermostat needs to be calibrated.
Oven thermostats rarely need to be calibrated. If it is off by a wide margin, it needs to be replaced.
How could I calibrate it to at least rule that out as the cause?
That's usually done via an adjustment screw on the back of the control, though it is sometimes sealed so people cannot accidentally change it.
Then I'm hoping it is a heating element, because that's a cheap and easy thing to replace.
It could be the control panel too.
That's something I need a professional to replace.